In this video, we are going to see how we can enter the multiple vendors in QuickBooks 2024. So let's get started. Now let's enter the supplier details in QuickBooks, and we will follow the method where we can enter the multiple suppliers in a single click. So I'll just have to put the opening dates, and let's drag and drop and select copy cells. Now I'll go to Home tab, and in order to just copy and paste directly from Excel to enter multiple vendors, I'll just click on the vendor section and click on new vendor and add multiple vendors. Now let's customize these columns according to these. So I'll go to the customize columns and go to the bottom and remove all of these chosen columns because we don't want all of these. Now all of them have moved to available columns. Let's choose according to the fields here. So first we have name. We have name here in the chosen columns. Then we have the vendor balance, and then we have the opening balance as of date. You can move up and down from these options, these buttons, and click OK. Now after the data or columns are customized according to our Excel sheet, just copy and paste directly data from here to QuickBooks. And let's click on save and close. Now all of the vendors are entered. Now let's go to the Home tab to check the balances of the accounts payable. It's 1042500, which matches this exactly. So let me just unmark this. And now on this assignment, we only have to enter the inventory balances and we are good to go.